So I go on here, so. Right, so come on. Some Jerusalem peas, the fine peas. Yeah. Some coconut milk. See coconut there? Yeah man, fresh from the tree. So we just do an outdoor type of setting. We just do some backyard frying. You see it, fry fish. It's one of the ital and have no season. Just garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, this is the second batch. The one I have seasoning for it. The first batch was an ital batch. So let's make this go and fry out. You see it. Alright, so this is the last part I made. So this is the sauce. This is okra. It's a kind of ital stew type of thing. So this is coconut milk. And we talk about coconut milk from the coconut, not the can. Coconut milk, some okra, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and we have a piece of turmeric. When I grate the turmeric, we just leave it whole so that it doesn't absorb most of the flavor of the turmeric. We just want to change it slightly, so we just put a few pieces of turmeric in it and let it reduce for a little while. And see, look there, no powder seasoning, no salt. Oh yeah, there's a pinch of salt in it, sea salt. So you don't know, so you have to kind of do it on the healthier side. So that's why we do it that way. Yeah. See, okra them out them fat. Grew up on the farm same way. This just picked like 2 hours ago. So from the tree, you not even go to market. From the tree to the pot. This okra you not touch no market. The coconut milk not touch no market. Same way. Man, I eat that, man. Alright, so I'm on the final verge. Final furlong. Food tastes really good. I'm not lie. So make sure you have 2 fish to eat, you know. And a big man, you get 2 fish. Country life is the best thing.